Hello students, welcome to English lecture. Today we shall be dealing with the chapter Connecting the Dots. Students, here in this chapter, Steve Jobs basically sharing his experiences, his life experiences about how an idea is being connected by the other idea and how it's being beneficial in future. The past ideas how been connected to the future, and in future it is very beneficial. So students, you must have heard about the great personalities. Those are very you can say success in their life, like Tatas, Birlas, Ambanis. So here is one of the most precious name is Steve Jobs. और यहाँ पे बता दें, कनेक्टिंग द जॉब्स का मतलब होता है आइडियाज़, द एबिलिटी, कैपेसिटी which creates a mind blowing thing in future, which creates an amazing things in future. So ये कैसे होता है, आइडियाज़ जब हम पास्ट के आइडियाज़ को कनेक्ट करते हैं तो ये कहीं ना कहीं फ्यूचर में एक बहुत बड़ा मिसाल क्रिएट करता है. सो यहाँ पर डॉट्स का मतलब है आइडियाज़, कैपेसिटी, थिंकिंग, आपकी कैसे सोच है, आपकी काम करने की इच्छा कैसी होती है, और इंटेंसिटी. सो ऑल टुगेदर जैसे हम कोई भी मैप लेते हैं या पजल लेते हैं तो उसमें पहले जो डॉट्स होता है वन बाय वन वी क्रिएट्स, one by one we put the or we fill the dots, and later we see that's an image. So this is what how Steve Jobs beautifully describes, beautifully shares his life experiences कि लाइफ में एक डॉट्स को, एक एक्सपीरियंस को, एक आइडियाज़ को कैसे दूसरा आइडिया कनेक्ट करता है. सो स्टूडेंट, जस्ट गो थ्रू द लेसन. स्टीव जॉब्स was an American inventor, business magnate, entrepreneur, and industrial designer. He co-founded Apple and was the chairman and the chief executive officer of the company. He is recognized as one of the pioneers of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and the 1980s. Jobs worked towards creating products like the iPad, the iPod, the iPhone, and the iPad, which revolutionized the technology world. So, in this address to the freshly graduate college students, यहाँ पर in this chapter actually he's delivering a speech. किसके लिए? ग्रेजुएशन के स्टूडेंट्स को यहाँ पर वो एक स्पीच दे रहे हैं, एंड इन दिस स्पीच ही शेयरिंग हिज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस which are described. The first, ideas of connecting dots, second, love and loss, and third is near to death experiences. So students, in this address to freshly graduate college students, the famous entrepreneur Steve Jobs tells three stories of his life. The first story is about connecting the dots. He tells them that he had dropped out from Reed College just after 6 months of joining it, but attended the classes which he found interesting for another 18 months. He managed by sleeping in his friend's room, selling used Coke bottles, and walking 7 miles to get one decent meal in a week. He says that the things he discovered by attending different classes out of curiosity helped him in some way or the other in life. For instance, his calligraphy class, which at the later stage helped him design the Macintosh computer. He tells the students that while looking ahead in life, we are often unable to understand the importance of things that we learn, but years later, when we look back at our life, we immediately realize their value and are able to connect the dots. Thus, according to Jobs, trusting one's instincts and having faith that all those experiences would add up at the end was what made all the differences in his life. The second story is about love and loss. Jobs says that when he was 20, he and Steve Wozniak started Apple in his garage. In a decade year, the company became a $2 billion organization. Then unexpectedly, Jobs was fired from his job and he felt dejected. However, he realized that he had to start again and hence had the liberty to let him his imagination and innovation take over. In the next 5 years, he went on to start two companies, Next and Pixar, and also made the love of his life, Lawrence. Later, when Next was bought by Apple, he was able to use the technology he had developed at Next to come up with revolutionary products for Apple. With this story, Jobs tells the students that one should not lose hope if life puts us down. The only solution to all problems is to keep on doing what one's love. So, in the last story is about death. Steve Jobs was diagnosed with cancer a year before he delivered this address. The doctor advised him to take care of all his legal and financial transactions, but with the biopsy, it was found that he had a rare pancreatic cancer that could be cured with surgery. He had gone for the surgery and was fine when he delivered this address. He says that experience was the closest that he had come to facing death, and it taught him that spending one's life doing something that she did not like was a complete waste. He tells that students do not get suppressed by the imposed rules and beliefs of others and to have the courage to follow their hearts. He ends his address with a quote that he read in the last edition of publication called The Whole Earth Catalog, which was stay hungry, stay foolish. He says that he always wanted to have the hunger in him to achieve greater heights and the foolishness to follow his hearts. And since those students were going to start their lives afresh, he wished the same for them as well. So, students, in this chapter, Steve Jobs basically sharing his life experiences, and at last, the quote which he disclosed that stay hungry and stay foolish. Stay hungry means always you should have hunger for knowledge, for curiosity, for know something. कभी भी अपने नॉलेज से संतुष्ट मत हो जाओ, जो आपके पास है उससे संतुष्ट मत हो जाओ, बैठ मत जाओ. नाउ इट्स ओके बिकॉज अ रोड नेवर थिंक दैट दिस इज़ माई विलेज, दिस इज़ माई डेस्टिनेशन. वो आगे बढ़ती जाती है, आगे बढ़ते जाती है. किस चीज़ के लिए? अगला डेस्टिनेशन, वहाँ पर मुड़ जाती है, फिर से आगे बढ़ती है, फिर से आगे बढ़ती है. दैट मीन्स वॉट, you always should keep pursuing something, keep going something for something. You should have always curiosity for something. हमेशा हंगर रहो, हमेशा हंग्री रहो. सो स्टे हंग्री, स्टे फुलिस. और फुलिस क्यों बोल रहा है? क्यों हमेशा ये सोचो कि नहीं, मैं अभी भी इनकम्प्लीट हूँ, मैं अभी भी इनकम्प्लीट हूँ, मुझे और जानना चाहिए, और मुझे कुछ ना कुछ और हासिल करना है लाइफ में. सो ऑब्वियसली दिस टू लाइन्स, स्टे हंग्री, स्टे फुलिस, gives us immense knowledge about the life. So basically in this chapter, how Steve Jobs has given the great message to the students or the new generation we just saw, and he shares the beautiful experiences of his life, connecting the dots, love and loss, near to death experiences. So it's all about the life experiences of Steve Jobs, which he shared or delivered in this lesson. So I hope you understood this lesson, students. Thank you.